making sure that everyone has the same access to financial products and services to help them be stronger citizens and have the ability to save and build wealth is critical, not only to the individual and the family, but our economy as a whole. I believe there are two challenges when it comes to fair and equal access to credit. The first is those who don't have credit. It's really trying to help people establish credit, do it the right way, enter financial mainstream, not with a payday loan, with a small short-term loan at a reasonable interest rate. The second is those who have misused credit in the past. How can we help them to reestablish themselves so that they're not paying high interest rates, that they're not having to get an auto loan at 16%, in this environment, getting it at 4 or 5%. That's our real goal, is getting people to reestablish so that they can get back into financial mainstream and have more opportunities for the future. Think about financial capability, it really is, knowledge. So first we do have to start with knowledge and help people to understand what their options are, understand the different tools that are out there. And then we have to help them to use those tools. A lot of talk these days about defaulting people into specific products, helping them to really utilize the better tools that are out there, not the payday loans, for instance, to utilize a good short-term loan and have access, which is the last piece. It's really creating new, different products that can really help, particularly low to moderate income people, to navigate. Once they have the knowledge, they understand and are ready to start that behavior, we need to give them access to those services and products. I do believe that there's a lot of innovation that's happening in our space, and it needs to continue to happen because we aren't going to reach individuals in one set way. And the traditional come into our office, sit down and look at us face to face, that's not going to work in this environment. So there's a lot happening. Texting is one way to get people to come in, not only to get them to come in, but to stay on track. So if they join a debt management plan with us, we want to keep them engaged and keep them thinking about what their ultimate goal is for paying down that debt. And texting is a very economical way to do it and keep people engaged. So it will help programs to be more sustainable over time. I think there's a lot of other fields that need to be interconnected because financial health really impacts so many other aspects of our lives. We see many people with a lot of medical debt. So if we work closely with the healthcare field to bring down some of that cost for our clients, right, we find them a prescription plan that can lower their costs. That's money that they can use to put healthy food on the table. So I think you're going to see a large growth in this industry working with other partners that nobody in the past really thought of as traditional partners in a financial education.